Alright, Kiwi, we're going to do this one. What's that?
Fox.
Fox begins with the sound F. What letter makes the sound F?
I don't know.
Think about it, Kiwi. Yeah, F. What letter makes the sound F?
F.
Yeah, good job. So draw the letter F.
Oops.
Yep, right there.
F right
Yep.
there.
Yep. Good job. Okay, now this one. What is that?
Apple.
Yeah. Apple begins with the sound A. What?
A.
Good job. So draw an A. Oh, no, that's not an A. That's a P. Try again.
Oh.
It's okay, Kiwi. Try an uppercase A.
No.
A is, come on, Kiwi. A is the first letter in the alphabet. How do you draw an A?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
I don't know.
Can you draw an A, please?
Okay. F.
No, A.
F. F.
Kiwi, can you draw a letter A?